Get ready to discover a world of flavor, health, and well-being as we delve into 5 compelling reasons to switch to a plant-based diet now. Imagine a diet that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also nourishes your body and soul. We're talking about a way of eating that's not just good for you but also benefits the planet and all its inhabitants. From reducing your carbon footprint to supporting biodiversity, a plant-based diet is a win-win for everyone. Over the next few minutes, we'll uncover the science behind plant-based eating and see how it can make a real difference in your life and the world around you. We'll explore the nutritional benefits, environmental impact, and even the ethical considerations of choosing plants over animal products. So, buckle up, get ready to have your mind blown wide open, and let's dive in. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just curious, this journey promises to be enlightening and inspiring. Let's embark on this adventure together and see how a plant-powered future can transform our lives and our planet. Did you know that what you eat has a huge impact on our planet? Yes, every meal you consume can either harm or help the environment. It's true. One of the biggest contributors to climate change is actually animal agriculture. This industry is responsible for a significant portion of greenhouse gas emissions. Think about all those cows, pigs, and chickens we raise for food. They need to be fed, housed, and transported, which all adds up to a large environmental cost. They require vast amounts of land, water, and energy. For instance, it takes about 1,800 gallons of water to produce just 1 pound of beef. Imagine the resources we could save. And let's not forget about the methane gas they release, which is a major greenhouse gas. Methane is over 25 times more effective than carbon dioxide at trapping heat in the atmosphere. By choosing a plant-based diet, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and help protect our planet for future generations. Plant-based foods generally require fewer resources and produce fewer emissions. It's like recycling and conserving water, but with your fork. Every plant-based meal is a step towards a more sustainable future. So next time you eat, think about the positive impact you can make. Okay, science fans, let's talk about how plant-based diets can supercharge your health. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. Studies have shown that people who eat more plant-based foods tend to have lower risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and obesity. Plus, a plant-based diet can help you maintain a healthy weight, boost your energy levels, and even improve your digestion. So ditch the processed junk and embrace the power of plants. In this chapter, we delve into the profound ethical reasons for adopting a plant-based lifestyle. It's not just about what we eat, but about the impact our choices have on the world around us. Now let's talk about something really important: animal welfare. Animals like us have the capacity to feel pain, joy, and fear. They form bonds, experience emotions, and deserve to live free from suffering. Factory farming practices can be incredibly cruel to animals, confining them to cramped and unsanitary conditions. These intelligent and sentient beings are often subjected to unimaginable suffering, all for the sake of efficiency and profit. By choosing a plant-based diet, you're taking a stand against animal cruelty and promoting a more compassionate and just food system. Every plant-based meal you prepare and consume is a step towards reducing the demand for these inhumane practices. Every time you sit down to eat, you have the power to make a difference for animals. Your choices can inspire others to think more deeply about their own eating habits and the ethical implications of their food. Remember, they're living beings just like us, and they deserve to be treated with kindness and respect. By embracing a plant-based lifestyle, you're not only nourishing your body but also contributing to a kinder, more compassionate world for all living beings. Think eating plant-based has to be expensive? Think again! Sure, some specialty plant-based products can be pricey, but overall, a plant-based diet can actually save you money. Think about it. Beans, lentils, rice, and seasonal fruits and vegetables are some of the most affordable foods out there. Plus, by reducing your risk of chronic diseases, you'll save on healthcare costs in the long run. So, eating plant-based is a win-win for your wallet and your overall health. Here's a big picture thought. Our global food system is facing some serious challenges. With a growing population to feed, we need to find sustainable ways to produce enough food for everyone. And guess what? Plant-based diets can play a major role in this. It takes far less land, water, and energy to produce plant-based foods compared to animal products. By shifting towards more plant-centric diets, we can free up resources and make sure everyone has access to nutritious and affordable food. So there you have it, folks. 5 compelling reasons to embrace the power of plant-based eating. It's good for your health, the planet, animals, your wallet, and the future of food security. Remember, every bite counts, and small changes can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the amazing world of science.